Hey folks, Crypto for Seniors here. I'm here today to unveil the titans in my portfolio. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what cryptos I'm holding. I'm not suggesting you invest 1 cent into any of the cryptos I'm about to share with you. This video is about my personal holding and why I feel strongly about them. True, crypto is on a crazy journey at the moment. Bitcoin just can't manage to get past 100K, but in time, it will. Now, as for me, these aren't just any coins. These are the game changers, in my opinion. Full disclosure, I'm not a financial planner, and nothing in this video is to be considered financial advice. I'm simply sharing my interest into the projects that have influenced me personally for 2024 and 2025. You may be thinking you are too late to get into crypto since prices have started to rise. Well, I am not saying you're wrong, however. I am still investing, taking profits and reinvesting into others or buying the dips. Here I am sharing some of the sites I go to daily to get a feel what if any changes I need to make to my portfolio. These are important, so write them down. Check out sites like CoinMarketCap, CoinDesk, and Crypto Bubbles, or a host of other websites to learn more about any crypto you are interested in. If you believe in a project, at a minimum, you should follow these suggestions. Read their white paper. Do they have a published management team? Do the devs come from other crypto projects? Then decide if this life in crypto is for you. Discussing anything crypto inevitably leads us to the leader, the OG, Bitcoin. This giant has endured market volatility, silenced skeptics, and consistently emerged stronger. It is the gold standard, the original, the pioneer of the cryptocurrency world. Currently, Bitcoin is consolidating, establishing a foundation for its next significant rise. Keep in mind, Bitcoin's supply is finite and scarce. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin, and as demand increases, this scarcity will drive its value higher. Bitcoin is not just a store of value. It is a hedge against inflation, a global currency, and a revolutionary technology. It is the cornerstone, the foundation, and the bedrock of the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem. Hold on tight, because Solana is about to take you on a high-speed joyride. This blockchain is blazing fast. I'm talking transactions per second that'll make your head spin. Solana's secret weapon is its revolutionary proof-of-history consensus mechanism. It's like a time-stamping machine that makes transactions lightning fast and super cheap. We're talking fractions of a penny per transaction. That opens up a whole new world of possibilities, from decentralized finance to NFTs to gaming. Keep your eyes on this one, and please remember, this is not financial advice. Let's talk about real-world impact. I'm talking about an older crypto token called VeChain. VeChain is tackling one of the biggest challenges facing businesses today: supply chain management. This blockchain is all about transparency and accountability, making sure products are authentic and traceable from start to finish. Imagine knowing exactly where your food came from, or verifying the authenticity of a luxury good with a simple scan. VeChain is making that a reality, and businesses are taking notice. We're talking partnerships with giants like Walmart and PwC, proving that VeChain is more than just hype. This is a crypto with a purpose, a mission, and a bright future. Keep an eye on VeChain. It's a sleeping giant about to awaken and hopefully reach the numbers over the last bull run. Ravencoin is all about assets. This blockchain is built for the secure and efficient transfer of anything of value, from securities to virtual goods to real estate. It's like a digital notary, verifying ownership and streamlining transactions. Ravencoin gives you the power to create and manage your own tokens, opening up a world of possibilities for businesses and individuals alike. Imagine issuing your own company stock, creating unique digital collectibles. This is a hidden gem with huge potential. At its current price of only 3 cents, you can afford to pick up a large chunk. It only needs to double for you to make some real profits. RVN is one token I see great things coming during the next run for this. My next crypto I'm interested in is Cardano. This blockchain is built on a solid foundation of peer-reviewed research and academic rigor. It's all about taking a scientific approach to blockchain development, ensuring scalability, security, and sustainability. Cardano is led by Charles Hoskinson, one of the co-founders of Ethereum, and he's assembled a team of brilliant minds to create a blockchain that can truly change the world. We're talking about a platform that can support decentralized applications, digital identities, and even entire governments. Cardano is still in its early stages, like many of my picks, but they have been around since the start of the altcoin era. This is a long-term play, a blockchain that's built to last. Cardano is perfect for smart contracts, so do your research, get educated, and consider adding Cardano to your portfolio. There you have some of my major holdings. As a miner, I have had some GPUs mining and holding some of these tokens. Also, I have simply picked up more when the price dips to increase my holdings. Will it be the end of this year or maybe the start of next year? Well, my magic 8-ball, remember those things we had as kids? Shake it up and it would give you the answer when you turned it over. My magic 8-ball says, it could happen. Not as technical as the charts I look at or even what others in the industry are saying. These are the tokens that I personally believe are going to make waves, the ones that are going to change finance and traditional banking forever. Remember, crypto is volatile. It's risky, but it's also the future of finance. If you want a safe bet, look at the S&P 500. You won't make the kind of money, in my opinion, that you would being in crypto. Do your research, understand the technology, and invest only what you can afford to lose. So buckle up and get ready for the wild ride. Watch the market. It's so very important for you to talk to your financial advisor and explain to them you believe in crypto and you would like their input in putting crypto into your portfolio. Maybe consider an I Trust Crypto IRA. That's what I have put part of my portfolio. So I want to ask a really huge favor. I'm working hard to bring you really important content to help empower you in your crypto journey. If you like this video, would you please smash the like button and comment below what you feel about the tokens I'm holding? I would love to know what cryptos you are holding. Finally, a reminder, nothing contained in this video or my selection of cryptos I mentioned is financial advice. I am simply documenting my journey in the crypto world and what my plans are for the end of the year. Take care, and I look forward to bringing you more content.